Hello, I'm Matthew McCard, and I'd like to welcome you to another video in the Northwest Shoals Community College Student Tutorial Video Series. Each of the videos in this series will provide you with information to help you become a successful online student. Some of the videos will demonstrate how to use instructional technologies used by your instructors in facilitating your online courses. Others will inform you of the online and on-campus support resources available to you and when and how to utilize them. If at any time you have questions, concerns, or need any kind of assistance, please reach out to one of the members of the distance education team. We are committed to providing you with the best possible online learning experience and look forward to helping you overcome any challenges that might come your way. Welcome to Distance Education at Northwest Shoals Community College. A quick way to access your Northwest Shoals email account is to navigate to the Northwest Shoals homepage and click on the Email tab at the top of the page. By this point, you should already know your NW-SCC email address. If not, follow the instructions here to retrieve it. Once you have your email address, click on this link to navigate to the Office 365 login page. Enter your email address and your temporary password and click Sign In. You will automatically be prompted to change your password the first time you sign in to your account. Be sure and select a password you can easily remember or write it down and keep it in a secure place. Northwest Shoals employees will not be able to recover this password for you, though we can reset it to another temporary password if needed. Next, you will need to set up a way to be able to retrieve your password if you forget it. The quickest option is to provide your cell phone number and have a code sent via text to your phone. Enter this code to verify your phone number and continue on. Now you will progress through a short guided setup that will prompt you to select a time zone, theme, and create a signature to be included on all outgoing emails. You can always change these settings later if you want. You are now signed in to your Northwest Shoals email account. New messages will appear here. To send an email, select New Message and enter the recipient's email address here. To edit the settings of your account, click on the icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen with your initials. Then, click on My Account. Northwest Shoals provides all students with a complete subscription to Office 365. This includes access to your Outlook email, as well as several other Microsoft products. You may install the entire Microsoft Office suite on up to 5 computers, 5 tablets, and 5 smartphones. This way, you will always have access to the tools you need to complete your coursework. Be sure and pay attention to which version you're installing. If you are unsure which version you need, this information can be found in the About section of your computer settings. To add a photo to your account, click on Personal Info and then click on Change Photo. To change your password, click on Security and Privacy and then click on Password. In addition to the desktop version of Microsoft Office products, Northwest Shoals students also have access to a variety of Microsoft tools online through Office 365. We will explore these tools in a later video.